What's up, guys? So it's me back again with another video, and today we are gonna be doing a carpet install. So let me show you my truck for the ones that haven't seen it yet. There's my truck right here. It said 2023 Ford F150 4x4. It is a baby platinum, and since it's 4x4. They do come with the rubber carpet. Let me see. I have done my platinum door swap, console, the screen, and I do have a headliner and system on it and everything. So today we're gonna be taking out my whole interior, which is the console, the box, and the amps, so we can do the install. The company, I got this carpet from this company. I'll put the link down in the on bio. They sent me this part, and the carpet's over here itself. I have it in the sun so it can stretch out a little bit and so it can soften up. But this is the carpet. The material does feel good on it. It's very thick. It's very thick. So come with me to gut this whole interior up, take out everything. I did order a new the platinum lid for my truck because there's a platinum swap. So I ordered the platinum lid already. I just gotta wait for it to get here. Well, yeah, guys, let's start taking out my interior apart. All right, guys, so I already took out everything. I also cleaned all the floor. I cleaned everything. I vacuumed all this. You can still see there's a little bit of sand left on this bracket, but I had a lot of sand everywhere because I did go to the beach a few times with this truck. So I cleaned up everything, vacuumed everything. I took out my box, my TV panel, because I ain't gonna get that redone. So I just took it out. I cleaned up some of the sound system wires. Like this, I'm gonna rewire, or I'm gonna rerun it a different way. So there's a few things I'm cleaning up on my system. Like this wire has been giving me a lot of issues on my truck for a while, but we won't talk about that. But yeah, I cleaned up everything. I'm about to put this part into the truck. They do send it already pre-cut, so you just have to take off the parts out of it, and I already did. So I'm gonna put that in first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw the carpet in as well. So come on, guys, let's try and do this, guys. So I was about to throw in the carpet, but then I flipped it to this backside, and I noticed that this didn't have the cutout, like the fabric right here. So I took it out again, and I'm gonna place it on top, and from there I'm gonna just trace all the holes it has and all these outlines. Cause right here, this is where it separates for the middle piece. So I'm gonna do the outlines and everything. So see if it fits. Hopefully I don't overcut or anything. Well, all I'm gonna do is just cut the circles. I'm not gonna take off any carpet or anything like that. So I'm gonna just make the circles. Not too big, so if they're too small, I can just like cut out a little bit more as I'm going. So yeah, guys, let me cut the circles and see how it goes. All right, guys, so you can see it's already in. I already have the holes made. I have some of the wires ran already from my system, but I'm not fully putting everything back on because I am waiting for some stuff to come in. I can see everything, my amps on that side. Let me walk around that area. Everything right here. I do gotta vacuum it. So the carpet does reach all the way to the back wall, like how it's supposed to. Cause even my rubber carpet, it will reach all the way to the back of the wall. There it goes. I already have my epicenter, my voice amp. Something that I didn't know is that they do, well, they didn't say on the instructions, or they didn't even send me instructions, but it is better for you to glue the carpet with the fabric down there, because it does kind of move. Obviously, once you put weight on it, it's not gonna move anywhere. But I don't know, I don't like that. So I do have to get my system all rewired and everything, and I ain't getting some new stuff done. So once I do all that, I'm gonna take it back out and glue it with the fabric down there, so it won't be moving around. But there you go, everything's good. I might, if I find the wire I need, I might put the seats back on and everything, so y'all can have a complete whole look of the interior. But man, I like how it looks with the carpet. It does change the whole look of it. I didn't really like how it looked with that, because it just makes it look like a work truck. You know, I have the whole plenum style going on here. I obviously still have to change the whole dash for the leather one, but I have the whole panel, the headliner going on. So like throwing that thing will just throw the whole thing off. So I really like how it's looking right now. So let me finish up everything, guys, and I'll show you the end of the result. Guys, this is the final look. All carpet. Let's see. Turn a little focus. And like I said, it probably is better for you to glue your carpet to the fabric, so it won't be moving. Right now, it don't move at all. Actually, once like you put all the weight from the console, your seats, everything back on, it doesn't move. I took off my TV panel and my sub box because I'm getting new ones made, so I just took it off. But let me show you the other side, guys. The other side. That does look a little bit ugly because there's nothing there, but that's where they come from factory without nothing back there. See you guys, all black. Now I do gotta paint these black and these as well black. We'll probably get the ones that are OEM that come black. But yeah, guys, there it is. See ya. Installing sound deadener, or you can call it kill mat as well. I'm gonna be installing it all over the back wall, and also on some of the floor piece back here, and also right here on the sides. I might take out the whole carpet again and the console to do it on the floor, but for right now, I'm gonna do the whole back wall with kill mat, because we are getting a new sound system box right here for the subs, and also a whole new TV panel. So we want to get all that covered up with some sound deadener, so all the sound can stay inside the cab, not that much rattling around. So that's why I'm putting all this on the whole truck. This is how it comes, little pieces, or you can buy the whole roll. I prefer little pieces, so you can do piece by piece. And I also got this big one, the sound down, but I'll probably end up using the big one for the headliner. So probably once I go to get my system done, Well, once all the stuff is ready, my box and my cheetah pan is ready, and I go to jump off the truck, I guess I'll drop the headliner a little bit so they can install the sound deadener on top. But yeah, guys, right now I'm doing this side. That's why I only have my side seat off. So I'm going to do the most I can. Then I'm going to take off the other seat and take that off as well. And you're going to have to cut little pieces for like this little parts because you want to try and get the most you can all covered up. And for that, you do need these little rollers so you can apply pressure on it.
Los placas y es nomás para empezar.
You can see, guys, there's a final look of it, how it looks in the back wall. I can see the whole thing's with kill mat. You can definitely hear a difference. You can definitely hear a difference already by knocking on it. But yeah, guys, let me see. Basically, my whole interior is already the kill mat. Like I said, we are gonna do the roof and the floor, but once I take out everything again.